everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make these ghosty spooky candles. To start with, we're going to add our candles into a pan and then add boiling water. You want just enough boiling water to cover the candles. Now using tongs, you want to gently rotate your candles and then grab your cold water. Now what you're going to do with your tongs is bring your candle to the surface of the hot water and then pour over your cold water. Then you want to be quickly rotating your candle and doing the cold water again and again until you get the desired effect that you're looking for. Now you have to do this process quickly and not keep the candle in the boiling water for too long, otherwise the progress that you make will keep on melting. You can keep on repeating the process until you're happy, and when you're done, just pop your candles out onto a bit of baking paper and let them dry and set. And this is what your candles will look like when you're all finished. Now the best thing about this is obviously it's still just wax on the outside, so you can actually burn these rather than just having them as decoration.